Good evening, viewers. I welcome you once again to Buchi Online Maths. Today, we have this question that says we should find dy dx, that is, we should differentiate y with respect to x if y equals 2x minus 3 all raised to power 20. To solve this question, we are going to use a formula called function of a function. The formula states that dy dx equals dy du dot du dx. Okay, so this is the formula we are going to use. Dot here means multiplication, so sometimes it is written times, sometimes you see dots. Okay, in the formula we have u. Let us define our u as the term inside this bracket. Okay, so our u will be bracket 2x minus 3. So if that is the case, therefore the whole of y will now be, you can say that y will now be u raised to power what? 20. Remember, the whole of the term in bracket is u, so y is gonna be u raised to power what? 20. So if that is the case, now let us now go to the formula. Inside the formula we have dy du. Now let us differentiate y with respect to u. Okay, that is what they mean by dy du. Right? So we differentiate y with respect to what? To u. So we say dy du. Okay, let's do this on the next page. Okay, remember y equals u raised to power 20. So dy du, okay, will now be, bring the 20 down, okay, and u will now be raised to power 20 minus 1 will give us what? 19. Okay, so that is how to differentiate u raised to power 20. Okay, now we have established this. Let us now go back to the formula and obtain du dx. So we are going to obtain du dx from this, because u is already 2s minus 3. So to differentiate u with respect to s, we are going to the next page. We say, remember that u equals 2x minus 3. So to get du dx, differentiate u with respect to s, is going to be differential value of every constant is 0. 3 is a constant, so the value of 3 here is 0 when you differentiate 3. Differential value of a variable, x is a variable, is 1. Now that the variable is being multiplied by a whole number, so you call the variable 1, okay, and that one will be multiplied by 2, which is what? 2. Okay, so when you differentiate 2x, you will obtain 2 times 1, which is 2, minus 3 is 0, so 2 minus 0 is 2. Okay, so we are now going to the formula. We are now going to apply the formula now, which says, remember, the formula says dx equals dy du dot du dx. Okay, now we have obtained du dx. Let me write the x well. Okay, du dx. Okay, now that we have dy du, this is our dy du. Okay, we have it here, so we are going to apply it here. Okay, we have dy du and we have du dx. This is our du dx too, so we are going to apply it here. Okay, so we can do that, on the next page. Okay, so we say that dy dx, going to the formula, equals dy du. What is dy du? Which is this? Dy du is what? 20u raised to power 19. Okay, so we have 20u raised to power 19 dot Okay, we go back again. du dx is what? 2. So we say dot 2. Okay, now we have that 2 times 20. Remember, this dot means multiplication. 2 times 20 will give you 40. So we have 40 u raised to power 19. Okay, but when you go back to the other page, you discover that we called u, we said let u be 2x minus 3. That's the term inside the bracket. So we are going to this place, when we see u, we are going to replace it with 2x minus 3 all raised to power 19, and this is the final answer. Okay, so I believe you've understood how I solve it from page 1. This is page 1. Okay, this is page 1. Then this is page 2. Okay, this is page 2, and this is page 3, where we got our final answer. Okay, so if you have enjoyed this lecture, please do not forget that it was brought to you by Buchi Online Maths. So please visit us on Facebook, Buchi Online Maths, like our page and share our videos. We are also on YouTube at Buchi Online Maths. That's the channel, www.youtube.com/Buchi Online Maths. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.